This is one of the most popular and reliable Toyota engines. This engine is so popular that Toyota and Lexus use this engine for most of their car products. In fact, if I had to give this engine a Nigerian name, it's probably be called Ebuka and not Femi. This is a 2GR 3.5 liter V6. This engine has a minimum of 295 to 314 horsepower. And get this, if you tune this engine correctly, you can produce up to 350 horsepower. I'm in love with this engine. The 2GR is an all-aluminum design. This engine helps keep the overall weight of your car low and is the perfect balance between power and weight. This engine is so reliable that it's used in a lot of Toyota cars. They involve Toyota Camry, Toyota Venza, Toyota Sienna, Toyota Highlander, the RAV4, the Toyota Corolla GT. Also Lexus cars like the Lexus RX 350, the ES 350, and also foreign supercars like the Lotus Evora GT, the Lotus Erima, and the Bowell Nagari 300. Yes, this same engine. But we all know nothing is perfect. Problem no dey finish. And this engine has little problems of its own. For example, oil leaks. In the older version of the Toyota 2GR engine, the VVTi system oil tube was made of rubber, and this can break down and cause leakage. But in the modern version of the Toyota 2GR engine, Toyota has made metal replacements to solve this particular issue. Sometimes you might hear loud noises coming from your engine pulley, but do not worry because Toyota has solved this issue by making heavy-duty replacements that can fix the problem immediately. So, whenever you hear this kind of noise, just head to Auto Parts store and get your replacements. If you're looking to buy a new car, I would highly recommend a car with a 2GR engine. And if you already have one, take good care of it because if you don't, just remember that the stone the car guy is always in your boot, and I'm always watching you. I'm always watching.
Pamtech Autoland. Extra care for your car. Extra mile for you.